In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a modified block business letter. And this one uses open punctuation. Open punctuation means you omit the colon after the salutation and you omit the comma after the complementary close. That's the only difference between open and mixed punctuation. Mixed punctuation uses a colon after the salutation and a comma after the complementary close. Open punctuation omits both of those. To set up a business letter in modified block format, what you want to do is set a tab at 3.25 on the ruler, which is the midpoint. The typing line is 6.5 inches long. The midpoint is 3.25. And then the date line and the closing lines will be typed at the midpoint or moved over to the midpoint. So you can do this before you start the letter with a blank document, or you can do it after you finish typing the letter. So this letter is already typed, it's all formatted correctly with all the proper spacing between the parts. So now I'm going to show you two different ways to set a left tab. When you do this after you've typed the letter, you want to select the whole document. Control A selects the whole document. And then what we want to do is we want to set a tab at the midpoint. So the easiest way to do it is to click the paragraph launcher. Opens a paragraph dialog box, click the tabs button that opens the tab, and we want to set a tab at 3.25. So you could type that in, confirm that it's a left tab, which by default it is, and click set, click OK, and you'll notice that the tab, the left tab, that little black L right there, has been set on the ruler. And then all you have to do is click in front of the lines you want to move over, the date line, and press tab. Sincerely, and the writer's name and the writer's title, and now you have a modified block letter. So that's one way to do it. The second way to do it is to select the whole document as we did before, and you can actually set a tab on the ruler. This is the tab indicator, and by default it is a left tab. And what you want to do is you want to click on the ruler on the bottom half of the ruler at the location where you want to set the tab. We want to set the tab at 3.25 inches. So this is 3 inches, this is 4, 3.5, 3.25 would be right in the middle of that. And click on that. If you click in the wrong place, you can drag a tab around and move it, or drag it down to remove it from the ruler. So our tab now is set at 3.25. Click in front of the date line and press tab, and the closing lines, and now you have a modified block business letter.